Updating your payout destination on Kraken is essential for ensuring that your funds are sent to the correct account. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Access payout methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *icon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Edit payout destination. Look for the option to edit or add a payout destination. If you want to change an existing destination, select it and choose the edit option. Enter the new payout information as required. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout destination, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may need to verify your identity or complete additional security steps to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can successfully update your payout destination on Kraken. Always ensure your information is correct to avoid any issues with future transactions.